2019 Subaru XV Crosstrek. This all-new four-door crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive XV Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the XV Crosstrek is built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, climate control. Come see the car for yourself.